How to fix Instagram Messenger update option not showing easily and fast. So all what you not want to do, guys, to fix this problem is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager right here. As you can see, open the apps. Now on this page you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram and then click on it. When you click on it, then you have to click on this force stop and then go to the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled. After that, go back and open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS. And after that, you have to search for Instagram and then update it from here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.